Hi, I'm Brian English. I'm the owner of Origin Studio. I wanted to give you a tour of our shop today before we have two of these beautiful units going to California. If you come in with me, you can see so this is our shop. We have a very busy shop. Our shop floor is completely booked right now. When you buy a studio from us, you get a spot assigned to you and it's yours until we're finished building. So right here we have two Zen Dens that are going to be going to California. This is our entry-level model. It's 200 square feet, 10 by 20 feet with a 10-foot cathedral ceiling. They're looking really gorgeous and I wanted to show this off. So right here we have the teak. This is 3/4 inch teak. It's solid teak. It's sustainably sourced and certified. It's a V groove like this. So that goes together, and in the back, we have what we call a rain screen. So there's an open space that allows air to flow up and down. So oil is all this needs to maintain it over the years. Every few years you have to oil it just to keep it from staining out and bleaching out, let's say. But it's gorgeous. Here we have Marvin windows. Marvin windows come out of Minnesota. Minnesotans know how to keep things warm. These are really high-end windows with an aluminum clad on the outside and wood on the interior. If you look up here, we've got the standing seam metal. This is a 26 gauge standing seam. This is the SUV of metals. This is certified for hurricane country in Florida. And what's unique about this is it's seamless. There's no punctures on this anywhere you'll see. So all the panels overlap each other, and inside there's a bracket that holds it together. Everything here is pop riveted, all the trim pieces, so there's no puncture, and it's going to be weatherproof for a very, very long time. Inside, you'll see a couple things. We keep it simple, modern looking feel, so people can customize it as they want. But first off, look at the height of the ceiling. These are 10-foot high ceilings here, so you get a really big feel in a small footprint. We go with a modern small trim here. We call it drywall return, just to make it look very sleek. We use big picture windows wherever possible. We want to let as much natural light in as we can. We even have operable awning windows up top, so again, more light can pour in. The floor we're actually using here is a vinyl floor, but it's very high quality, it has a wood texture, and we really liked this one, so we decided to go with it because it's very durable. Inside here, this is the bathroom. This is pretty spacious actually for a small space like this because it spans the full 10 feet and it's about 4.5 feet in width. We use a matte black fixtures on everything, including shower head, shower door, water efficient toilets, hexagon, gray, matte finish again on the floor. The mirror and the vanity will go here. We have a tankless water heater right here, and with a teak door covering that, again, just to blend the outside finishes to the interior. So this is it. It's a gorgeous unit. We're really proud of this, and we'd be happy to show you around.